Hey, what's up YouTube? This is David. In today's video, I'm going to share with you what I've learned about Google Sheets and how I can use it to trade stocks better. In today's video, I'm going to show you a function called filter. What this filter does is it clears the unnecessary data that you see from this table and only show you the one that you required. So right now, what we do is we want to trade stocks that has a huge volume. So basically, anything above 5 million would be good. So right now, what we do is basically we Control A, which is select all, and we go to the menu tab and select data, and we click on this, which is called a create filter. If you notice, what it does is basically on the header, you will see a small upside down triangle. What it does is it gives you an extra menu tab that you can click on the header itself, such as this. Okay, like I said, I want to look for stocks that has 5 million and above trade volume. So as you can see, we have it allows you to sort A to Z, sort Z to A, sort by color, filter by color, filter by condition, and filter by value. So the value is, as you can see, it gives you individual numbers that appears here. This is not what we want. What we want is filter by condition, which is 5 million and above. So what we do here is greater than or equal. Let's see whether I get it right. 5 million is 60123 123. And let's see. Oops. Okay. Something is wrong here. Let me undo this. Okay, let's try again. Okay, maybe I need to have exact numeric symbols. Let's try again. Filter by condition, greater than 5, comma 123, comma 123. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Apparently, you need to have the comma to symbolize a million. So as you can see here, we have stickers that have more than 5 million trading volumes. Okay, what about you can also concurrently filter. Besides trading volume, you can also filter by signal. So now I know that these stickers have more than 5 million trading volumes in a day. We'll look at the first green bar, which is a bullish engulfing candle. So what we do here is filter by values, which clear all. I just want this, and let's see what we got. Oh, only FBIO. So FBIO yesterday, the day Friday. Today is 4th. Today is 13. So it should be 12. So last Friday, it should be a big candlestick, big bullish candlestick. Let's see. Okay, so on the 9th of April, FBIO shows a big bullish candlestick, which is here, which is what we see here on the first green day on the April the 9th. There's something wrong with the numbers here, but it's okay. I got what I want. So this is the ticker that I use, that is shown me using filter by volume and filter by first screen day. So what we have here is a red bar. So hopefully by today I am able to trade a pullback going long. I'm not hoping for it to hit yesterday's high, but I'm hoping to hit bull strength at the open. Okay, so how do you undo all this? You can go a Control Z, or what you can do is turn off filter, and you have all the data back in order. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I can't wait to share with you what I've learned about Google Sheets and how it can help you select, or how it can help you create a better scanner. It's not as good as the scanner that is readily available on Google, but it's one that caters to my needs. So I hope to see you soon, and if you find this video informative, please like and subscribe. See you.